In this video, I'm going to show you how to reset your Instagram Explore page. Whenever you open up the Explore page on your Instagram, you cannot really see the content that you like. So to change this, I'm going to show you a way that you can add in or let know the algorithm of Instagram the content that you are most interested in. So most of your Explore page is based upon the posts that you interact with, whether they be on the Explore page or that they be on the main home page of your Instagram. So to sort of reset this, what you can do is, if you come across any post that you like, you can tap and like these posts. So basically you can interact with them in any sort of way. And if you see certain posts that you don't like, you can just tap on the three dots on the top right and you can tap on show fewer. This way that post will be removed, and if you do this for some time, the algorithm of Instagram will start to show you more content that you like and will start to show less content that you remove. So you can repeat this process. The change won't happen immediately. You will need to do this for a certain period of time, and if you do that, your Explore page of Instagram will surely be changed and you'll start to see more posts that you are interested in. So that's how exactly you can reset your Instagram Explore page. I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, be sure to subscribe, share, and also give this video a thumbs up. That's pretty much it for today. Thanks for watching.